factor 5x squared minus 45. The very first thing we should do whenever we're factoring a polynomial is look to see if there is a greatest common factor that we can pull out. And I didn't mention that in the last few problems because we were focusing on differences of squares, but it's really the thing that takes priority over anything else. If there is a GCF, we should pull it out. It's the golden rule of factoring. And you'll notice that this polynomial does have a GCF that we can pull out. 5x squared and 45 are both divisible by 5. So we can pull out a 5. And when we do that, that leaves us with x squared minus 9. Now, if you look at x squared minus 9, you'll probably already be noticing that both of those are perfect squares. X squared is x squared, and 9 is 3 squared. So we can use the formula for the difference of two squares to factor out what we have in those parentheses. We're going to keep the 5 out front, and then x squared minus 9 becomes x plus 3 times x minus 3, and this becomes our final answer. If we tried in the beginning to look at that as a difference of squares before we pulled out the GCF, it wouldn't work, because 5 is not a perfect square and 45 is also not a perfect square. So even if we had tried that, we would have run into problems and hopefully eventually found that GCF. But really, anytime you're factoring something, you want to be looking for that GCF first, because it's always going to make the problem easier.